Unboxing the latest Nokia 5G Fastmile Gateway 3 arrivals. These routers are fresh off the shelf, ready to be assessed and graded for your needs. Let's take a closer look at what makes them stand out, from pristine ports to reliable connectivity. Every component of these routers is meticulously examined. We ensure they're not just functional but exceptional. Here's the magic of our process. Our skilled team meticulously evaluates each unit, grading them as a B or C based on their condition and performance. This precision guarantees you receive quality matched to your expectations. Place order with Crystal ASAP. If you need contact her, you can reach her via the contact